Uma, what are you eating? What are you eating? Hmm? What is that? What is that? Huh? What are you eating? Hmm? Is that a deer bone? Why did he give you that? Hmm? It's good for cleaning your teeth. Huh. Yes. Let me see your teeth. Can I see? Oh, pretty teeth. Smile. Can you smile? Nice teeth. I chew my bones and they keep my teeth clean. Right? Right? Tell me. Yes? They do. Good. Good job.